Okay, good.
All right, so now we're going to actually show how you fold a t-shirt.
How to fold a t-shirt in under 2 seconds.
Okay, now you got to slow it down for those of us moms who really want to know what you just did.
All right, here we go. So make sure the collar is to the right, and all you have to remember is A, B, and C. This is point A, halfway between the sleeve and the collar. Imagine an imaginary line straight down the shirt. Halfway down the shirt is B. All the way down from the shirt, all the way down in the end is point C. Hold on to point A with your right hand, hold on to point B with your left hand, and cross A to C, pinch onto C. You may have to watch this a couple times, but this is what you get, and then do a final fold over, and this is what you get right there.
That's amazing. Okay, I'm going to make you do it on another shirt.
Yeah, this is more difficult simply because it's silky.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, let's try another shirt.